Good morning. So we are going to work on chapter 10 notes, so 10.2. So we're going to add in drawing. Oh, it didn't work. Hold on, everybody. I just wanted the notes, the line for the notes. All right, there we go. I gave up everybody. Okay, let's get started on these notes. So how can you determine the best choice, the best tail, everybody? So we're looking at electronics, okay? And we are in chapter 10. Okay, so we're working with our piecewise functions. So everybody, I know with this people don't use payphones, but you can think of this. This also works if you're talking about cell phone plans. Okay, so 35 cents for the first minute, and then 19 cents for each of the extra minutes. Okay, so again, everybody, this is working with our piecewise function. Okay, and we want to know how much is 7.5 minutes. Okay, so our function for this, everybody, so our piecewise function, the cost per minute, is going to be equal to, so 35 cents plus 19 cents, then the minutes minus 3. Okay, so we're going to round it up. Okay, so with the 7.5, okay, we're going to round that to 8 minutes. So the cost for 8 minutes, okay, it's more than 3. So we're going to do the 35 cents plus 19 cents. We're going to substitute in the 8 for the number of minutes, and it would be $1.30. Okay, so that would be the cost. Okay, what if we're doing another one, everybody? Okay, so if we're doing this one, everybody, so let's say that the cost was 12 and 1/4 minute. Everybody, we could also think of it as just an example I thought of. It could be like the cost of getting a Uber or Lyft. The cost. Okay, so 65 cents for or a cab drive for the first 5 minutes, and then 22 cents for each additional minute. Okay, so we have the cost Okay, so it's going to be 65 cents when the number of minutes is less than or equal to 5. Okay, and then it's going to be 65 cents plus 22 cents for each additional minute when it's more than 5 minutes. Okay, so if for the minutes, everybody, we're always going to round up. So we'd round that to 13 minutes. So for minutes, everybody, always round up to the next number, to the next whole minute. Okay, so we're going to have, so we're going to substitute in 13 times 65 cents plus 22 cents, 13 minus 5. So the cost for 13 minutes is going to be $2.41. Okay. If I needed to graph this, everybody, so if I'm going to do a graph, okay, so our Y value, everybody, is going to be our Y value is 65 cents. Our X value is 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the time. This is the cost. So C. Okay, so we're going to put so 65 cents is going to be right there. So we're going to go all the way to 5. And then after 5, it's going to increase. Okay, so this is the cusp. I think of it as where it changes directions, the price starts to increase. Okay, everybody. So it's going to be 5 for the X value and then 65 cents for the Y value. Okay. Okay, so let's look at an example of a cell phone plan. Okay. So with Verizon, okay, so the cost is going to equal $40. And then it's going to be $40 plus 35 cents per minute over 750 minutes. Okay. So when the number of minutes is less than or equal to 750 minutes, we have that one. Okay. When the number of minutes less than 750, we would be right here. Okay. So we'll put that in words. So it cost $40 for the first 750 minutes. Each minute after 750 minutes is 35 cents. Okay, so if we're gonna graph this, everybody. Okay, so we're gonna have 40 right here. And then 750. Okay, that's the time. This is the cost. Okay, so it's going to be 750 is our X value and 40 is our Y value for our cusp. Okay, what if we needed to compare utility plans, everybody? Okay, so in our book, this is example 4. So what if we needed to compare our cell phone plans? There was a $40 unlimited plan versus 15 cents for text. For unlimited text messages versus 15 cents per text. And you use 400 text messages. Okay, which is a better choice? Okay, so we're going to take it, we're going to multiply, so 15 cents times 400 is $60. So for you, the unlimited plan is the better choice. So the unlimited plan is the better buy. Okay, so let's look at everybody. What if we had where you needed to compare plans? Okay, so what if you needed to compare? Okay, so we had TV and phone and internet, so you're bundling those all together. At $95 a month for the first year. And it's going to increase by 10% the second year. Okay. So that's the first one. Okay, everybody, what if we needed to compare it? So we had $49 for the phone, $35 for cable, and $50 for the Wi-Fi. Okay. So if we add all those together, everybody, okay, so we're looking at these two plans. So I add all these together, so 49 plus 35 plus 50 is 134. Okay, if we take, so our savings, so we're gonna have 90, so we do our second one, so we're doing this one with the 10% increase, everybody. So 95 times 1 plus 10%, remember, because it's an increase. Okay, so I got $104 and 50 cents. Okay, so then if we subtract them to find the difference, so 134 minus $104.50. Okay, and that's going to give us a difference. So that would save $29.50. Okay, everybody, a month. If we multiply that by 12, that would save $354 per year, everybody. So you definitely want to shop around and look at different deals. Okay, and just double checking with this, everybody. Remember that 1 is 100% as a decimal, and then that is 10% as a decimal. Okay, everybody. I wanted to add one more thing on this. So let's say for the cell phone plan that you are doing you wanted to compare it to an unlimited plan. And you send 850 text messages. Okay, everybody, so we're going to use this. So we're going to put in 850, okay? So the cost per minute, so we're going to put 400. Well, we want to know when the two plans would equal each other, okay? So we're going to set them equal to each other. Sorry, everybody. And we want to know when the two will be equal. So we're going to go ahead and solve, okay? So I'm going to take my cost per minute. Okay, the 35 cents per minute minus 750. Okay, everybody, so I'm going to take and I'm going to distribute. So we need to distribute this. So I got $262.50, okay? And now we need to combine like terms. So our cost is going to be equal to 35 cents per minute minus $222.50. Okay, now everybody, I'm going to set those two equal to the 55. So this is the unlimited plan. So I'm going to set those two equal to each other and solve for the number of minutes. So I'm going to add the $222.50 to each side. I got $277.50. I'm going to divide by the 35 cents. That would be 0. So divide by the 35 cents. Okay, and I got 7.9285. So I'm going to round that up, everybody, to 793 minutes. Okay, so that's when those two plans would equal each other. Okay, so if you're talking, so if you talked 800 minutes, this would be a better plan, 800 or more. Or if you talk 794 minutes or more, then that would be the better plan. Okay, everybody, you got this.